Welcome to our guide on returning Savana products. Understanding our return policy is the first step in making your return process smooth and easy. Step 1 is to gather your purchase information. Find your order confirmation email or receipt, which includes essential details about your order. Next, check if your product is eligible for return and the time frame for returns. Most items can be returned within 30 days of purchase. Now, prepare your product for return. Clean it and make sure all original accessories are included. Locating your original packaging will help protect your item during shipping. Be sure to keep it all intact. Then, fill out the return authorization form provided by Savana. This step is crucial for processing your return correctly. Choose your return shipping method. You can use any carrier, but we recommend a trackable option for safety. Now, ship the product back to Savana. Make sure to affix your return label securely to the package. Lastly, track your return shipment and wait for confirmation that your return has been processed. It's that easy. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to contact our customer support team. We're here to help.